Welcome back to Rock and Roll Garage. It's been a little bit since I made a new video. I made a few shorts here and there, nothing major. Ain't really done too much work. Did minor cosmetic work on the Maverick, a little bit of grill work, bumper work, minor stuff, nothing major. Put a breather on it. I'm waiting on parts to finish that thing up right now. I put the wheels on it the rest of the way. This video, we're going to start up on the Mustang, on the Mach 1. 72 Ford Mustang Mach 1, 351 Ram Air, automatic Cleveland car. We're going to start off with the trunk. The trunk looks kind of rough. I'll show it to you. It looks all dirty and dingy and not very good at all. Gotta tie them wires up, sand it down, vacuum it out, blow it out. There's the quarters, just needs scuffed up. It's solid as a rock. Nice car, real nice car. Got a great deal on it. So that's what we're going to do this video. We're going to clean it all out, sand it, hit it with some 320, blow it all out, wipe it down. I got the trunk splatter paint. We're going to shoot it black and then splatter paint it. Yeah, I'll try to get you multiple angles, from inside looking back, from here looking in, this side without the light, this side with the light. I'll tape it all off and we'll get this baby rocking and rolling. As we get done with that, the next video will more than likely be the inside. Here's the inside shot of that light through the back seat panel. We'll clean up the floors, we'll shoot that. We might put the sound deadening in it, the same as what we did on the Maverick. I don't know yet. I ain't made that decision. So sit back, grab a cold one or a hot one. It is cold outside, as you can see this steam on my windows, the condensation. And let's do some work. It's been a while. First thing we're going to do, we're going to clean all this out. Pick up all the bolts, nuts, clips, tie the wires up because I don't know where they go. Looks like speakers. I don't know if we're going to be using those. Pick up all the rubber plugs, get everything cleaned out, vacuum it out, start scuffing it. I'm going to scuff it probably with a 220 or an 80, I'm not sure. Probably 80 in the quarters, maybe 220 right here on this panel. So let's do this. There ain't much room to get in here, I know that. It didn't take much to get all these bolts out. Still want to suck none up in a vacuum. So I'll put them all up here. Rubber plugs. Don't mind the noise. Got it looking pretty good. Now I'm just going to start sanding. I'm going to sand everything. So I wonder if I should put you guys. No, you'll be facing the. Yeah, let me get it set up. Lots of work. Lots of work. And lots of work. It's coming along. I got a nice little mess. I'll get the other side over here the best I can. Then I'll climb up in the car and do that front part. Get this a little bit better and figure out my next step. I'm going to switch over to 220 to do this back panel. I'm gonna get a wire wheel, hit everything inside here that I can, hand scuff what I can't, tape off the tail lights, the marker lights, and the back seat divider. Blow it out, suck it out, wipe it down with some thinner, prime it all black, let it sit up, scuff it, wipe it down again, shoot it with a black paint primer, let it dry up, then I'm gonna hit it with the black splatter paint. And then after that, she's ready to go back together. So, come on along, let's go for a ride. If it works, is it wrong? Here's what we're using. Tip color. Trunk paint. Try to get you guys set up real good. Drop down in there. Hopefully I don't get in your way. So you can see. I've given the middle a black top coat to help with the blending of the splatter paint. I didn't feel I needed to do it on the quarters on the inside. I'll let this tack up, and then we'll hit it with the other can of trunk paint I got. The can of trunk paint I have. Can 2. That's it. Duplicolored truck paint. Got it at O'Reilly's. Black and aqua. Pretty good. Pretty good stuff. The trunk is finished. Well, the painting part of it is. I still got to put the gas neck, the rubber boot, the sleeve that goes on it, bolt it up here. At least get it all ready. Then tape it off. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Pretty good. So, that's step 1, or video 1 of the Mustang rebuild. Like and subscribe. There are going to be a lot more videos of this car and the Maverick too. Don't worry, I'm draining the antifreeze, the water right now to put antifreeze in it for the winter. For the test drive, it won't be long on that. Next thing we're gonna do is the inside. Gotta clean up a few welds, get some primer down, and get her painted. So, stay tuned. Thank you.